Good morning. I hope today is going to be a productive day. I wanted to talk today about the power of scripting and the power of the Asana API. The API is something that Asana did, which allows people like us to discuss with Asana servers. That allows us to move things around, rename tasks, create projects from outside of the app itself, from another app, for example, or from your own servers. The other day, I actually renamed 16,000 tasks. And it just took me a couple of minutes to write the actual script and just a couple of minutes to actually run the code. This is an example of how powerful the API is. There's a lot of things that you couldn't do manually. It would just take hours and hours of work, and it's just impossible to do. With the API, you can search for anything, you can create a lot of tasks, and in that case, I was renaming tasks to include the time spent in the task name itself, because my clients wanted to see the time spent on a task right away from the list view or even from anywhere. So this is just one example of many other examples. We have tons of code running all day, every day, all night, weekends and nights, and really all the time, doing amazing stuff into our clients' accounts. So don't hesitate to reach out if you have needs. The API allows you to do almost anything. You can virtually read anything and write anything. There's a couple of specific cases that you can't cover with the API, but most things can be done. So if you're stuck with something, or if you're always doing the same thing over and over again, maybe it's time to talk to someone that knows how to use the Asana API. Have a good day and see you tomorrow.